Have you ever heard of the book The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up or the Netflix series titled Tidying Up by world-renowned Japanese decluttering expert Marie Kondo? Tidying up is a popular system created by Marie Kondo, also known as the KonMari Method. This simple yet effective tidying method of organizing can be applied to investment selection as well. Hello and welcome to Do Academy. Today, we'll be sharing some investment lessons based on Marie Kondo's KonMari Method. Visualize your ideal lifestyle. According to the book, the very first step to take before tidying up is to envision your ideal lifestyle. Goal setting is an important step here as it allows you to understand and make the necessary changes to achieve it. For instance, if your goal is to arrange a pile of books in alphabetical order, you would understand that it needs to be arranged from A to Z before placing them in a shelf. With a clear goal in mind, you will also have a better grasp on how or where to begin. The same applies to your investment portfolio. A good practice is to sketch out your ideal lifestyle in detail, as this allows you to make a better, more educated decision when choosing an investment. For instance, if you have a lot of monetary commitments, such as ongoing loan for a vehicle or property, it will be wiser to invest in lower-risk investments. In this scenario, we would recommend an investment in bonds as it is a low-risk investment and safer, particularly when compared to the stock market. Should your investments spark joy? Aside from setting goals, another key principle of the KonMari Method is holding or hugging an item to see if it sparks joy. If it doesn't, it should be discarded. But how do you measure if an item sparks joy? Simply ask yourself these 5 questions. Do I like this? Does it benefit me? Does this make me better? Does this have any emotional value? If this item was damaged or destroyed, would I be relieved or sad? This method can be applied in making an investment decision as well. An example would be opting for a conservative investment for the sake of your retirement plan, such as unit trust or a fixed deposit. If you're struggling to pick one, just ask yourself these 5 questions to determine which of these options will provide more value for your retirement plan, and you will find your answer. The courage to declutter. Once you have reached this stage, it is finally time to declutter. Always remember, less is more. According to the KonMari Method, things that should be sold, given away, or discarded should be done without guilt or regrets. The courage of decluttering comes from the willingness to let go of items that possess little to no value, adapting to your new surroundings, and ultimately striving towards your goal. It is also a process to eliminate greed and understanding what you need now and what would aid you in the long run. This is the same for trading. Never make decisions based on emotions or trends. Based on the decluttering rule, utilizing stop loss will help you automatically remove bad decisions from your portfolio and retain the good. A stop loss can help investors to avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. By setting a predetermined exit point, investors can reduce the emotional stress of monitoring their investments and make more rational decisions based on their investment plan and goals. Marie Kondo states, "Tidying up means dealing with all the things in your life, including investments. Learn to deal with it tidily and practice these 3 methods with us, and you will notice a path filled with joy." Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more actionable investment insights. See you in the next episode!